we have find the conjugate and modulus of given function. Now 1 plus iota cube minus into 4 plus 3 iota square plus 7 into minus 9 iota 4. First of them we put the value of iota cube, iota square, iota 4. Now iota cube is equal to, in fact iota is equal to minus 1 under the square root, iota square is equal to minus 1, iota cube is equal to minus iota, and iota 4 is equal to 1. So now we put the value of iota cube equal to minus iota, minus 4 plus iota square is equal to minus 1, then we get 4 minus 3. And this iota 4 is equal to 1, then this becomes 7 minus 9. Now we solve this 1 minus iota, this 4 minus 3, 1 with negative sign, minus 1, 7 minus 2 with minus 2. So now 1 minus 1 cancel to plus 1, we get iota minus 2, we write this minus 2 iota. Now we take conjugate of this, z conjugate is minus 2 plus iota. Now modulus of this term is minus 2 square plus iota, 1 square under the square root, this is root 5. This is the modulus. Now this is your conjugate and this is your modulus. Now second part say that 7 plus iota square का modulus 6 minus iota 4 minus iota cube. In this questions we have put the value of iota square. First of them we take conjugate of this. Now conjugate of this term is 7 iota square change into minus iota square. If you put the value of iota square, then we solve another method. Then 7 minus 1 plus 6 minus iota minus 4 minus iota cube is minus iota, then this positive. We get 6 minus iota minus 4 minus 3 iota. Then this became 6 is 12 minus 4, 8 minus 4 iota. Now we take the conjugate of this 8 plus 4 iota. Now we find the modulus of this term. Now modulus of this term is z modulus is equal to 8 square 64 plus 16. We get 80. Now under the square root we get 4 root 5. This is the modulus of this function. This is the another method of this find the conjugate of this number. हम यहाँ conjugate पहले भी ले सकते हैं सभी नंबरों का वैल्यू पुट करने के बाद भी. Third part do yourself. Fourth, it is given that 1 minus iota की whole power minus 2 plus 1 plus iota की whole power minus 2. We write this term into 1 by 1 minus iota का whole square plus 1 plus iota का whole square. Now we open this whole square. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, so 1 minus 1 0, we get minus 2 iota, 1 minus 1 0, we get 1 plus 2 iota, 1 by 2 iota. This term is negative, this term is positive, cancel to each other, then we get a 0. Now conjugate of 0 is 0 and modulus of 0 is also 0. This is your part number 4. Part 5th, do yourself same as part 2nd. Same as 2nd. Now in question number 8, it is given that z1 is equal to 1 plus 2 iota, z2 is equal to 6 plus 5 iota. We have find the value of z1 into z2 का modulus and z1 modulus multiply z2. We have proved that. Now we take left hand side say that first of them we take z1 into z2. This is z1, 1 plus 2 iota, 6 plus 5 iota. Now we multiply 6 plus 5 iota, 12 iota plus 10 iota square. 6 minus 10 plus 17 iota. We get minus 4 plus 17 iota. Now we find the modulus of z1 plus z2. Then modulus of this term is minus 4 square is 16, 17 square to 89, we get 305 under the scale. This is your left hand side. Now we take right hand side say that z1 modulus of this number is real part square plus imaginary part square, 1 square plus 2 square root 5, z2 6 square plus 5 square, 36 plus 25 we get 61 under the scale. Now we multiply z1 into z2, root 5 multiply root 61, we get 305. This is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. So now both result left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence prove. In second part of this is say that Z1 by Z2 का whole modulus is equal to Z1 modulus by Z2 modulus. So taking left hand side, Z1 is 1 plus 2 iota 6 plus 5 iota. Now this is the form of Z1 by Z2. Now we have rationalized the denominator 6 minus 5 iota by 6 minus 5 iota. We multiply these and this is your A plus B into A minus B. This is A square minus B square. We get the result of Z1. Z1 is, we solve this term for this and find the value of this. So we get 16 minus 7 iota by 61. Now we find the modulus of this function. 60 by 16 1 का square, 7 by 61 का square under the square root. 16 square is 256 by 61 का square, 49 by 61 का square. Now we add both the term, we get 305 by 61 का square. Now under the square root, then this term is under the square root and this square cancel to square root, we get 61. Now we factorize this. So 61 under the square root multiply 5. 61 cancel to 61, we get 5 by 61. This is your left hand side. In right hand side of this question is say that Z1 का modulus is equal to, we get Z1 modulus by Z2 modulus. Z1 modulus is root 5, Z2 modulus is 61. We have already discussed about this. Now we find Z1 by Z2 का modulus. Here the modulus of Z1 is 5 root 5 and Z2 is root 61. Now we write is 5 by 61 under the square root. Now in left hand side we get 5 by root 61 and right hand side also is 5 by root 61. So hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. In third part of this, Z1 plus Z2 is less than equal to Z1 का modulus plus Z2 का modulus. So first we take its left hand side and in left hand side say that Z1 plus Z2 modulus. Here the Z1 value is 1 plus 2 iota given. Z2 is 6 plus 5 iota. Now we add this 7 plus 7 iota का modulus. Now we find the modulus of this term. We get real part 7 square 49, imaginary part 7 square 49. 49, 49, 98 under the square root. Now factorize 2 multiply 49. Now we find the square root of 49. Square root of 49 is 7 root 2. Now we put the value of square root 2 with 2 place of decimal. We get 7 multiply 1.47 multiply. We get 9.87. This is your left hand side. In right hand side say that Z1 modulus plus Z2 modulus. Here the Z1 modulus is square root 5 plus square root 61. Now we find the value of square root 5. Square root of 5 is 2.23 and square root of 61 is 7.81. Now we add both these, we get 10.04. So it means 9.87 is less than 10.04. Hence prove. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Fourth part do yourself as same part